happening, yeah, oh yeah. With your ex-wife, just believe I'm stupid, Jewel. Is this wrong right now? You wouldn't know what I mean. Sweet nothings, outside the push and shoving. I laid the groundwork and then, just like clockwork, the dawn it turned into something bigger. And the whole sky, you were more than just a short time. Happenings of happenstance on someone else's playground.